Okay, today we are going to put a header on our Google form. All right, so um, the email that you have should say copy of Google form header image template. I know it's wordy, but this is what we're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do, you see this little rectangular box. That's the size of the header that you're going to create. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this. And it's really simple. There's just a few steps that you have to follow. So the first thing, you're going to go ahead and create a text box. So you're going to click right there. Okay. And then you just want to put it right over the top of the rest of this form template. So it's covered just like that. Okay. So you've got your rectangle set. Now you're going to give it a color. All right, so you want to fill color. So right in here, go ahead and click fill. All right, now let's choose something that, I guess it doesn't matter. You can choose whatever color you want. All right, not purple though. We're not using purple. Okay, and so let's go ahead and choose, I'm going to do black. Okay, so there's that. All right. Now, we're going to add pictures to it. You can add one or two or whatever the case may be. I'm going to add a couple different ones to it. So you're going to go up. There's one of two ways. You can go to Insert Image right here, or you can just go right here to the Image button, and it gives you the same thing. I'm going to go Upload from Computer for the first one because I have one already downloaded. So I'm going to use this Southwind logo that I have. Okay, and I'm just going to drag it on there, and I'm going to make sure it fits. Shrink it down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go add another one that has to do with like trivia or something. So I'm going to go to trivia time. I already had that searched in. How about this? Trivia time. And I'm going to save image as trivia time header. Gives it to me if I click save. I'm going to go back to it and I'm going to upload another photo. Upload from computer. And trivia time header. All right, I'm going to drag that on. And the little red lines you can see just means that the middle of this picture matches up with the middle of that picture. You want to make it look nice. Oops, clicked on the wrong thing there. I'm going to make sure that I get this. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Oh, it's not going to let me. And now the photo is kind of looks good enough to me. Okay, so I've got what I want. And so it gives you the directions right here. Don't change the size of the canvas when you're done. Use the Google Drawings File menu. Okay, so that's up here. You're just going to go to File, and then we want to download as a PNG image. Okay, just like it says right there. So download as PNG. So we're going to download as PNG. Okay, and it's going to download to my computer. Okay, the next step. Go to your Google form, and we're going to go to the color palette, and we want to go down to the bottom right corner where it lets us put in our own picture. Okay, so I want to go to Upload Photos, and then I'm just going to drag my photo in there. You may have to select your photo. Okay, I'm going to copy it, or I'm just going to drag it in. Okay, now there's the photo that I created. What you have to do now is with these bars, you have to slide them to make this fit. And I'll explain here as I go along here. Okay, so not the entire image is going to be there. So you want to kind of try and keep it centered. I think that looks pretty good, and you can make it a little bit bigger if you want. Does not have to be. I think that looks pretty good. And when you've got it the way you want it, you go ahead and click select. And then there it is. Okay. Now, it's not going to look fantastic when you're looking at it in your edit mode, but if you go to preview, it's going to look a little bit different. Okay. So, trivia time, whatever. Pick one or two things that you want it included. If you want this Southwind logo, I can forward it to you. And then otherwise, once you've got this done and you have all of your other editing and your questions done, then you can send it out to the entire class, and then we can start answering some of these things. All right. So if there are any questions, go ahead and let me know, and we'll go from there.